What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the crypto babe, postcard diva. How's everybody doing out there today? I hope you're having a great day today, guys. If you're here for the first time, you know what to do. Smash it, smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, I'm back. I, number one, want to do an update for M.A.P, my automatic pay. And then also just go over this program once again just to show you guys the value of it and how you can make $247 commissions instantly over and over and over. All right, they recently updated one of their capture pages. Okay, I was in the Facebook group, and the owner, that's what I do love about this platform. By the way, you can go to the link directly for this particular program, www.𝐒𝐻𝐿𝐿.com. The link is in the description. That way you can go through the company's funnel and see how it all works out. All right, but I was in the Facebook group, and the owner is hands-on with this program. Okay, and he stated that they have created a new, they replaced one of the pages that was there. And that's the page that I had my domain going to, the best easy work income. That's why it's good. If these companies have Facebook groups, guys, and Telegram groups, it's great to be a part of them so you can engage and know what's going on. Otherwise, I did not know. Now, so they changed that particular page that I happen to have my domain going to. And it's not one of my favorites, okay? It may be somebody else's, but I like the page they had. It said recession proof or something like that. And they had a little video on it and audio. And so they've switched that out for another page. So had I not been a part of the Facebook group and going in there checking to see what's going on, I would not know. So anyway, I've redirected my domain to a different one of the other pages. So anyway, you want to know this. So they've updated one of those pages. They've replaced it. So I've done that. Let's take a look at that page, the new one, the one I switched to. The old one is no longer there at all. All right, so hang on a second. Okay, this is the page that I switched my domain over to. They had a page and it said recession proof and something else on it, but once you click, there was a little button to click and it was an audio. So they've since changed it out. Okay, so it's no longer there. Let me show you the page that they've replaced it with. And if you're already in this program, if you want to switch it out, you want to go into your back office and also do that. I've redirected my primary page to this page. All right, so let me show you the new page that they have switched. I think it's capture page number 3. All right, hang on a second. Okay, this particular page here, it looks, see, they have this as the image on here, but when you click it, it goes to something else. I'm going to show you what it looks like. But this particular page, they've replaced it with something else. All right, so let's click it. Let me show you what it looks like.
Hi, it's Frank and Laura here with our little rescue dog, Riley.
Versus before, what you see here where it says recession proof, when you click that little play button, it was an audio. Okay, so that's the change. So if you do not want this page to be your primary, or if you have your domain going to it like I did, you may want to go back here and change it. Here's the options that they have, and this is what I've switched to. This particular one here is what I've switched to. Let's see, this one. Okay, and then of course the one I just showed you, this one is just a sales page. All right, the other 3 are actual capture pages. All right, so that's the update. And see right here, see how it says make primary? I had this as my primary. Okay, so I've since switched it here. So where is that? So when you go to the members area, let me show you. When you go here, see this right here would be that page as your primary. So I've switched that out. This is, so when you do the process I just showed you, that will change this as well. All right. By the way, this right here is your dashboard. This changes every 24 hours, okay? Lead sales, all this will change depending on what activity you have coming in here, all right? So we'll get to that in a second, but let's get back to this program. All right, M.A.P, My Automatic Pay. Act quickly to capture these bonuses and unlimited $247 payments. The key to wealth is to get recurring payments while you sleep. Get paid $247 over and over. This done for you system includes capture pages, video reveals pages, built-in follow-up, and auto recruiting to make your life easier. A complete sales funnel. They've included everything I just listed for you, and that way you don't have to get a third-party system to promote this. This is already included, okay, in your system. When you spend your $247, how much is it to get started? $247 goes to your sponsor, $33 goes to the company, so $280 in total. Affordable and a doable system, okay? All this is already included. No monthly charges, okay? This is a one-time fee, and you're able to earn $247 commissions over and over and over again. Your job is just to share. Share. All right, that's it. This system shows you how to do that. When you go into the members area, they have everything you need in there to make this work. I showed you guys, I think, a week ago. They even have postcards if you don't want to market this online or do paid advertising through solo ads. You can mail postcards, direct mail marketing. That's where I got my first success doing direct mail. It absolutely works. I have resources of lead companies if you're interested in doing that, where you can get your leads from and you can mail your postcards. Either way, they have all the information that's needed, okay, to get this thing going, because you first you want to know, well, how do I get people to sign up, or who do I talk to without having to bug friends and family, okay? We have a way to contact people that's interested in making money online, all right? And with this program, you're earning 100% commissions. There is no middleman. You don't have to wait on a payment to come through, any of that. The company's not going to mail you anything. You're going to be paid directly from the person that signs up with you the way you want to receive your payments, whether it's Venmo, Cash App, credit card, cash in the mail. However you want to get paid, you're going to specify that in your profile. And when the person clicks the link to sign up, it's going to tell them how you want to get paid. And that's how that works. 100% commissions paid directly to you guys, okay? Over and over and over, guys. So you get this sales page that does all the selling and telling for you. Watch this little 4-minute video right here. Read over the website. It's very simple. It's not complicated. It's to the point. This is not a hard decision to make. Either you're in or you're out. Do you want to make $247 commissions? You have a system that's going to guide you. We have a Facebook group. You have an owner that's hands-on in the group. You can ask questions. You can ask me questions if you sign up directly with me. I mean, you've got everything you need here. And that's very rare in this industry, because a lot of times you sign up with people, they disappear. They're not going to answer any more of your questions. They're done. Okay, that's how this space is. So it's very rare to find a person that puts their name and number, like I do, out there so people can reach out to me. Okay, so I'm here for that. And when you get started with me, I'm going to pay for your first paid advertising, okay, campaign. We'll talk about that. We'll have a one-on-one chat after you get started. This page includes screenshots of people that have made money with the program. This is real, the real deal. You see I'm on the page right here. Tons of people have made money with this program by simply sharing your link, and they make a decision. We don't convince. I don't do any of that. I don't call people and chase them down. None of it. I put the information out. People come to me. If they're interested, they sign up. That's it. Okay? We don't, this is not network marketing where we say go through your phone and call everybody you know and pester them and spam everybody in their messenger and all that. That's not what we do here. Not how we do it. So you're going to learn that once you really get the skill. All right. So you're going to be able to earn $247 commissions over and over. Your very first $247 sale, you're going to pocket that. You're getting your money right back on your first sale. After that, per the illustration, the second sale will pass up. They have what they call the reverse one-up pay plan. Everybody passes up their second sale. See this X? Everybody, okay? Which gives you leverage in the opportunity. And the third sale and beyond to infinity, you keep every one of those. So when that second sale comes in, it goes up. Okay? Everybody does that. Okay? So great opportunity. I love this program. It's, like I said, it's affordable and it's doable. I mean, you can't get any more greater than that. And you're paid instantly. You don't have to wait around and say, oh, where's my commission? I didn't get my paycheck. Nobody mailed me my commission. They didn't send me my money. None of that. The person can't get in that signs up here until you confirm them and you get your payment. Okay? So we don't have to deal with any complications with commissions over here, or pretty much in affiliate marketing, because we're paid member to member. Okay? It's very few programs that I have where I have to wait on the company to send me any money. Those are more than likely those recurring type of commissions, which I haven't had any problem with. But none of that here, because you're just like an Amazon. When you click that link and you go to Amazon and you try to buy something online, you got to pay them before they're going to ship it to you. Same here. Before they get access to these products, because that's what they're purchasing, before they get access to these products, they have to pay you because they signed up under your link. Okay? So this is a great way to earn instant commissions, guys. This keeps cash flow coming through. These type of programs have afforded me the way to get where I needed to go to the next level, to get in some of these crypto projects as well. You know what I'm saying? Anything that you're trying to do, you can use this as leverage, as a vehicle to earn commissions, whether you're saving them or whatever you're trying to do. These type of programs, digital programs, affiliate marketing, instant commissions, okay? When these commissions come in, they're yours. They go wherever you want them to go. You're going to designate that in the back office. So I definitely love affiliate marketing, okay? We don't have to worry about our commissions. So with that being said, I want you to go to that link, www.besteasyworkincome.com. Go check it out. Look over this website. If you have any questions, jot them down. Give me a jingle. I'll be happy to answer those questions. But check it out. This page is very clear. It's not a lot of mumble jumble, a lot of words where you got to figure out, well, I really don't know what they're talking about. What's the product? All that is right here on this page. Simple. Keep it simple, stupid. They've done that. 33 plus 247, 280. You're in today. There's no waiting. There's no delay. We don't have to build a website. We don't have to do any of that. As soon as you make that payment, I'm going to be notified. I'm going to mark you paid. Hey, I got my payment. I'm going to hit a button on my smartphone. You get instant access. You're going to need an email so you can log in. Excuse me. Get your email where you can log in and you're going to have instant access to your back office. So let's take a look at that, which is where we were earlier, right here, guys. Move this over. Hang on. All right. So you'll log in and you see right here, what does it say? Start here. That's what you're going to do. Or if you went down further, your paycheck is the bribe you get for giving up the dream. Here you go. Number 1, these 4 videos reactivate your dreams. Watch all 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? That's it. Click here. Start here. Complete your profile. Payment options video. Set up your payment option. Okay? And that's it. How do you want to get paid? That's what that payment option is asking you. There's a video there. Very simple, step by step. Okay? Very simple. And like I said, very affordable. And they have everything you need right in here, right here. Well, how do I get people to look at this? Go here. It says get traffic. That's what traffic means. Visitors, eyeballs looking at your opportunity. How do I get these people? Tell me where I can go. We give you that here. Resources, that's what it's called. Okay, guys? All right. So if you're ready to start earning these $247 commissions, go to www.besteasyworkincome.com. Again, remember, when you get started with me, number one, you're going to have access to me, one-on-one ongoing support. That's number one. That's critical. That's vital. I didn't have that when I came out on this space many years ago. Okay? So I offer that. I offer my resources. Well, how do I get my traffic in addition to what they're giving you in the back office? And then also, as a bonus for getting started with me in this program, getting your first traffic campaign going for you. This will fast track you. Okay? Start getting leads, eyeballs, people looking at your opportunity, leads coming into the system. That's the key. Lead generation. Leads equals sales. Okay? All right, guys. So thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there, guys. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.